Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Taskeen here from Homeopathy Musings, and I'm very excited to announce our basic course version 3 that we'll be starting from October, the 14th of October. We'll have total 15 sessions, and it will basically be an integration of both classical and contemporary homeopathy. And we have with us today Dr. Renisha, who's been a part of our previous two basic courses. I welcome you, ma'am, and I'm very glad that we have you again for the version 3, and we look forward to learning from you. Just a few queries and questions that I wanted to ask you, if you could clear those things out. That we've already had a basic course part 1 and part 2. What aim do we have in the basic course part 3, and what do we aim on achieving in this course? Can you please clarify that for us?
Hi, Taskeen. See, everywhere, no different courses are happening, but they are just teaching one concept.
Right.
Here, we wanted to come up with a concept where whatever we are applying in our own practice, we want to show it to the other colleagues, other friends, just passed out homeopaths who are complete. Sometimes they are really confused because what happens that what we learn in college, no, they are just the main concepts or Hahnemannian concept or the Kantian concept or the Boger-Bonning-Hussels. We learn it thoroughly, and when we start our practice, we start putting it them in our practice also. But many a times, no, we stop somewhere. We are not achieving the result we think that we should have achieved in certain cases. Certain cases respond very well, but some cases there is a complete block. We are just not able to go ahead in many of the cases. That's where you start looking for other ways. No, what can I do to best result to my patient?
Right.
And then when I was studying in my college, I had really good opportunity to attend Dr. Shankaran's OPD from the time I was in second year of my college, and I have seen every technique, every new concept born in front of me, and applying it into the practice after I started my practice. And we grew along with Dr. Shankaran's all the new techniques until the sensation method, and it really used to give us a much better results compared to just applying the old concept of homeopathy. And that's why I would say this course is not just one concept, but it's the chronology of the evolution of the homeopathy after where Dr. Boger-Bonning-Husson or where Dr. Kant has left and from where Dr. Shankaran started. So we wanted to combine everything for our colleagues, that how you can merge whatever basic knowledge you have, you merge it with your new concept of homeopathy. And after Dr. Shankaran, Dr. Mahesh Gandhi has also come up with a beautiful theory of personal evolution that also we have incorporated completely. And in this course, it's not that we are just going to talk about the new concept. We are going to talk about miasms also. We are going to talk about the kingdom theory, which is really very helpful in the practice, and many more things we are going to talk about in this course. What I always feel, no, that learning is a continuous process. It
Right.
should never stop.